Hi guys, it's Ray. Today we're going to do a very quick unboxing of glitter and pixie dust. I did order some more glitters. Don't remember what I ordered. So, there's a couple little stickers decorating the box. This stay cool. It's no thank you. I'm done with that, Shannon. Absolutely done with that. We had 80 degrees plus for 4 days in a row, and today it was 45 this morning, so that was kind of a bummer. But, so yeah, no thanks. I don't want to stay cool. Look, she sent me a turquoise turtle sticker. How funny is that? And one of her stickers, her card with all of her information, which I will also have linked down below for you. This one's pretty. Little laptop sticker. And a pen. We always love a pen. So, what did we get? I picked some, colors that you would expect me to pick, and then I picked some colors that were more out of the box for me, because they're colors I don't often get or work with, so. But this is Luscious Lavender. This one was out of stock last time I ordered, but Jess over at Butterfly Lane Designs highly recommended this one to me, so when I saw it was back, I hopped on it. It's kind of a pinky purple, like, you know when the lilacs bloom and there's the purple ones and then there's the ones that are pinkish? I feel like that is this color. And this is another dark blue. This one is called Ursula. And sometimes I feel like I have to open them because you can't get the full effect when you're just looking through the jar. But this blue is gorgeous. And that way they're open when I go use them, right? See? And I got 2 yellows because I kind of tend to avoid yellows. Like, I have some for when I need to do a lemonade or a pencil or something, but this one is Honeybee. So this has that kind of, I don't want to say brown, but it's more towards a mustardy yellow than this one, which is a lemonade, which is a super bright yellow. My little seal got stuck in this one. So, there's that one. And in colors I don't often buy, I grabbed an orange, a super bright neon-y orange called Tang. Partly just because, I was a child of the late 70s, early 80s, and, Tang was the thing. And I don't know if this is picking up the color properly at all, but that's a pretty cool orange. I got this. I can almost guarantee I have a color just like this, but I am a sucker for a teal holographic. So this one's called Mermaid's Lagoon. We will definitely be doing a tack it method with this. I mean, I can almost guarantee I have an almost identical, at least one, but like I said, I let myself buy some things I wanted, and you know me, that's what I buy. I got Dusty Rose, which I think was a new color. Whoop. So that was another pretty pink, and I am trying to build a better pink variety. This was another new color, Sapphire Beauty. I thought it was really pretty. I don't necessarily think it's sapphire toned, but it's a stunning color regardless. I wish I had a piece of paper to sit here and dump these all out on for you so you could really see them. But this was one of her new colors from her most recent stock. I reordered Winter Wonderland. I'm not going to open this one. This is turning into my favorite white So since I was ordering, I wanted to make sure I got a second one, so I was ready. And I got this green, which is called Pixie Wings. I don't know how to describe this. It's like a Tinkerbell green, but it's almost got a little bit of an olive base to it, if that makes sense. It's a unique green. I know I don't have anything like this. And I got Emerald Envy, which I don't think I have any green quite this color. So I keep fluffing glitter everywhere when I'm pulling these seals. But this is a gorgeous emerald color. Like, absolutely gorgeous. And then I have one left, which is another holographic blue. She called this one Stitch. We'll definitely be doing tacket with this. I do believe I have a very similar color you've seen from elsewhere, but it's one of those colors that I absolutely love on a tacket tumbler, so I had to buy it again. These two will definitely be going as tackets. So that was everything. Kind of buying them like 12 at a time. And I'm kind of, she does have chunkies. I don't really want any chunkies. I don't use them enough. And I really like how fine her fines are, so I'm kind of sticking to those because it's what I need. So, that is everything I got in this glitter haul. Again, glitterandpixiedust.net. I will put the link down below. I will put a coupon code. It's not my personal coupon code, but I will put a code you can use. And she does frequently run sales. Sometimes I'll pop them up in my community feed for you. So that is it. I hope you enjoyed. If you've bought from her, let me know what colors you've picked. But I feel like I'm getting better at getting out of my box and buying some other things. I'm trying anyways. So that is it. Thank you for watching, and be looking for these popping up on cups soon.